Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 53, and this will be from our intermediate flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. And now, so part number 53, it's in many ways it looks similar to Hexagon, but it's obviously not. There's probably a more complex name for it, but I unfortunately did not first go look. All that I know at the moment, so if we go to P53, it's pretty much a square, or in our case a rectangle, because you can set both sides with chamfered edges. So I think we've already covered the one with the rounded edges. So now we're looking at the chamfered, which is quite a handy one to have. You use it quite often. So now from our settings here, if I zoom in again, we can see here we've got A, so this sets the width. We've got a B that sets the height. And then we've got the the S that sets the corners at a 45 degree as well. So once again, let's just set in some values here. I'm going to make it a square this time. 200 by 200. Let's go about a 50 corner and say, let's preview that and see what it looks like. Yeah, I think that looks pretty close to our little reference. The reference is a bit wider though, but I'm going to keep mine a square. Then if you're happy with that, we say 1. And now obviously you can set these chamfers. Toolets basically creates a sideways square. So just keep that in mind as well. So I'm going to go add, and then let's add this to our canvas. There we go. We've got our part number 53. I think there's maybe about 3 more parts, and then we will be done with the intermediate parts. So well done for joining me this far, if you're still going. So then I hope I also fit in the last 3 over here. I think we should be able to, if I just work or play safe. Yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, so do check them out. And also you can isolate your search here if you do not find the videos you're looking for, or should I say, if you want to isolate your search. Then if you do not find the videos or any topics, you can always go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Till next one. Cheers.